can fly.
Good morning mga kalapatids. Nandito na tayo sa Lupaw, Nueva Ecija. Ayan si Haring Araw. At ayan na rin ang dalawa nating truck, naka-ready na. 6:30 po, magre-release po tayo. Good luck po sa final laps ng mini sprint race natin. Congrats agad sa mga nanalo. Okay, 6:30. Pwesto. Sige. Ayan ang ibon natin. Marami-rami pa rin yung laman ng truck natin. Marami nagkarga ngayon dahil Sabado, Linggo. Sakto, walang ano. Ayan ang ibon natin, dire-diretso na sila, Ayan, nakalatag na kaagad. 6:30 po, nag-release tayo. Team Pulilan, let's go, sabi ni Edron Aguirre. Oy, good luck sa Team Pulilan, sa Team Balagtas at saka sa Team Bukawi. Good luck sa inyo. Sa Team Marilao, Team Santa Maria, shoutout sa kanya. Team Baliwag, yan, shoutout sa inyo dyan. Good luck.
Darwin.
Oo. Ganyan. Yun na Darwin.
Dikta.
931 11
Teka lang.
931
931 11
22
22 12 32. Madali sana. Oh, yun. First starter.
Okay, mag-release tayo ng 7:40. Pwede na ya, wala na isang minuto. Nadali tayo dahil kanina medyo makapalapag dito. Sige, 7:40. Yan ang ibon natin. 7:40 po tayo nag-release, ha. po natin. Diretso dito. Hindi po tayo nakapag-live kasi wala pong signal dito eh. Napakahina ng signal. Masasayang lang yung live natin, mabibitin lang. Kaya sa first lap, dito na lang po tayo mag-shoutout. Okay, sabi na po natin, good luck sa mga sumali ng fan race natin. Super fan race. Yan, maraming salamat sa mainit na suporta nyo. Sa Team BFRC. Ayan. Mga pagpilipo natin. Sa next week po, Friday na po ang loading natin. First lap po natin. Pagpilipo natin, dire-diretso. Ayan o. Dire-diretso na po sila. Ayan, yung makapala ng ibon. Dire-diretso na, tama yung way nila.
Relax ka na lang.
Sige, champion yan. Siya na ba yan? Siya na, sigurado.
Siya na yung Darwin.
Sige, champion yan. Champion! Dikta!
If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is
154 6081 154 6081 1246 champion. Meron di kaso 1-2 lang yung speed, 1246 yan.
Thank you, Lord.
hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead. 'Cause I was too young and I didn't understand that you were the one. And I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. 'Cause I was too young and I didn't understand that you
Ay, dami.
Sige. Champion pa rin. Siya na ba?
Oo, ito na nga.
Champion pa rin yan. Yun pa lang sa overall yan. Ito.
165.
165.
1214.
1214.
Okay.
Eh, ang valid.
165.
165.
1214.
165, 1214.
Yun.
16,
5.
5, 12,
14.
14. 16, 51, 21, 4. Send valid.
Balik talaga. Iyan na lang.
Cause I was too young and I didn't understand that you are the one, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait. 'Cause I was too young and I didn't understand that you are the one.